All right, welcome. Let's find the slope of this line. Remember a slope, or better still, gradient. Okay, let me just use a slope of a line, which is m, is given by the change in the y-axis over the change in the x-axis. So given the point, this is the first point. So this is your first x, your first y, second x, second y. So this means that your 9 minus 2 divided by 7 minus what? 5. Remember, 9 minus 2 will give you 7. Then 7 minus 5 will also give you what? 2. Meaning we are dividing this into 2. That will give you 3.4. So the gradient or the slope is 3.5, or 3 whole number 1 out of 2.